And hello there, Plamo fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is my very first 30-minute mission kit. We have the Spinatio Sengoku Type, and of course, along with it, we have the option parts set for the Sengoku armor. And of course, this kit was bought from Hobby Toys Laguna, who is celebrating their 8th-year anniversary this month. So, let's get off to the unboxing. So first off, with Spinatio Sengoku Type, we see in the box art a very cool design of Spinatio itself. Off to the side, we see Spinatio, what you can do with it, and the various gimmicks that you have with it. Other side, some other more details. So let's open it up. So inside we see one bag with 2 sprues, one all gray and one all black. Another bag with 3 sprues, one PBS or rather ABS plastic, one all red and one all white. Last bag contains 2 sprues, all white and a clear green, which actually reacts to a backlight or black light. And of course the instruction manual, which I am seeing for the first time, but as you can see, it's very detailed and it tells you actually the first page here actually tells you how to quickly assemble the Spinatio. And then there's one page here which tells you how to do the armor. So like they said, you can complete all building this kit in just 30 minutes. So let's take a look closer at the sprues for the Spinatio Sengoku. So first up, we have the A1 sprue here, which is all red. Which will be all red parts of the Spinatio, the core unit. We see parts for the head, body, I guess, and feet. And then we have an A2, sorry, which is a clear green plastic sprue, which reacts to black light. I think this is for the visor. We have a B1 sprue, which is all white, so I think I see parts for the legs, body. A B2, which I think is just, yeah, it just takes, I think, 2/3 of B1. Then we have a C1 and C2 sprue, which is all gray. We see parts for manipulators and joints here. A B1 sprue, which I think, yes, consists mostly of the armor for the Sengoku type and, yeah, the katana. And we have an ABS plastic here, sprue for the joints. Now that's what we can see inside of the Spinatio Sengoku. Now let's proceed in unboxing what's inside the option parts set for the Sengoku armor. So once we open it, we see one bag with all gray, another bag again all gray, and of course an instruction manual telling you how to put all the Sengoku armor into the Spinatio core unit. So let's take a look individually at the option weapon sprue. We have the Ops 4-1 sprue, all gray, so we see parts for the mask here, a hat, and I think this is for the armor that looks like a dragon. We also have the Ops 4-2, more parts for more armor. I think this is for the extendable arm. Ops 4-3, more parts for armor. Yep. And Ops Part 4, more parts for the armor and more parts for the joint with the long arm. And yep, we have the instruction manual here. Again, since this is my very first 30-minute mission kit, they tell me that it will be just built within 30 minutes. So there you have it, Plamo fans and folks. That was what's inside both boxes of the Spinatio Sengoku Type and the option part set for Sengoku Armor. And surprisingly, they do not have any stickers, which is very unique for a model kit. So again, this kit was bought from Hobby Toys Laguna, celebrating their 8th year anniversary this month. So please go by a visit on them on the link in Facebook below in the description. And if you are new to the channel, this is Mixerwars saying please do consider subscribing, viewing other videos, leaving a like, sharing the videos. And until next time, see you and thank you.